discover the best breast cancer treatment options in India, including procedures, types, costs, top hospitals, success rates, and inspiring success stories. Uncover the latest advancements and success stories in breast cancer healthcare in India. Find out everything you need to know about the best breast cancer treatment options available. Breast cancer is a challenging diagnosis that affects millions of women worldwide. In India, the healthcare industry has made significant strides in providing cutting-edge treatments, top-notch facilities, and compassionate care for breast cancer patients. In this video, we will delve into the best breast cancer treatment options in India, various procedures, types of breast cancer, costs involved, top hospitals, success rates, and inspiring success stories that showcase the remarkable progress in the healthcare sector. Understanding breast cancer. Before we delve into the treatment options, let's first understand what breast cancer is. Breast cancer is a type of cancer that forms in the cells of the breasts. It can occur in both men and women, but it is more common in women. There are different types of breast cancer, including ductal carcinoma in situ, DCIS, invasive ductal carcinoma, triple-negative breast cancer, HER2-positive breast cancer, inflammatory breast cancer. Each type of breast cancer requires a tailored treatment approach to ensure the best possible outcome for the patient. Best breast cancer treatment procedures. Surgical procedures. Lumpectomy removes the tumor and a small margin of surrounding tissue. Mastectomy removes the entire breast. Sentinel node biopsy determines if cancer has spread to the lymph nodes. Non-surgical procedures. Radiation therapy targets cancer cells with high-energy rays. Chemotherapy uses drugs to kill cancer cells. Hormone therapy blocks hormones that fuel cancer growth. Targeted therapy targets specific molecules involved in cancer growth. Costs of breast cancer treatment. The cost of breast cancer treatment in India can vary depending on the hospital, type of treatment, stage of cancer, and other factors. Here is a rough estimate of the costs involved. Surgery, $3,000 to $6,000. Chemotherapy, $1,000 to $3,000 per cycle. Radiation therapy, $3,000 to $6,000. Hormone therapy, $500 to $2,000 per month. Best hospitals for breast cancer treatment in India. India is home to several world-class hospitals that specialize in breast cancer treatment. Some of the top hospitals known for their expertise in treating breast cancer include Tata Memorial Hospital, Mumbai; Medanta the Medicity, Gurugram; Marengo Sims Hospital, Ahmedabad; Artemis Hospitals, Gurgaon. Success rates and success stories. The success rates of breast cancer treatment in India have been steadily improving due to advancements in medical technology and increased awareness. According to recent statistics, the overall survival rate for breast cancer in India is around 70 to 80%, depending on the stage of cancer at diagnosis. Inspiring success story: Mrs. Priya's triumph over breast cancer. Mrs. Priya, a 45-year-old homemaker, was diagnosed with invasive ductal carcinoma in her left breast. She underwent a mastectomy followed by chemotherapy and radiation therapy at Medanta the Medicity, Gurugram. Today, she is cancer-free and actively involved in spreading awareness about breast cancer screening. With a plethora of treatment options, top hospitals, and success stories, the landscape of breast cancer treatment in India is evolving rapidly, offering hope and healing to patients and their families. Let's continue to support and advocate for better breast cancer care, one step at a time. Thank you for watching. Please visit www.wellnessdestinationindia.com for more information.